Well, it's absolute bullshit. We all sat there and watched the hearings, and we listened to Amy Coney Barrett, we listened to Gorsuch, and we listened to Kavanaugh. Each and every one of them say they were going to respect stare decisis, the previous decision of the court. We know they didn't. And of course we knew they weren't going to, because they were appointed by the liar in chief himself, a man who lied to the American people 35,000 times. I spoke before Congress, and I stated that I only spoke to Donald 3 times about the failed real estate project that was known as the Trump Tower Moscow project, when in fact, I spoke to Donald about it 10 times. The reason for my lie, of course, which was done at the direction of and for the benefit of Donald, was to stay on message. That's the message that Donald wanted, which is that there's no Russia, there's no dealings with Russia, there is no Russia. You probably all remember that. And so I was charged and I pled guilty to what's known as an 18 U.S.C. 1001 violation. And that's making a materially false statement to a legislative body. Well, it's exactly what they did. They sat at their confirmation hearings and they lied to the members of Congress that were asking them very specific questions. Will you respect stare decisis? They each stated, yes, we will, when in fact they knew that they weren't going to. But then again, how could we expect them to do anything different? Look to see not just the fact that it was the liar in chief himself that appointed them, but look to see where they were coming from. They were all off of the list given to Donald by the Federalist Society. So the fact that this is happening right now, nobody should be surprised. We should be angry about it, but not surprised. It says that justice is not equally served amongst the people. Right? If you are somebody of power, then you could certainly lie. And especially if you become a Supreme Court judge where you cannot be removed from the Supreme Court unless you choose to step down yourself or you pass away. I mean, these, like I said, these appointments for life, I don't like them. I don't understand them. And this is exactly what happens when you don't go out there and you don't vote, or you do vote and you vote for somebody like Donald, who is absolutely just morally bankrupt. Well, I think they should certainly be removed. Let's start with the easier one. They should be removed for lying. That the fact that they were able to get the acceptance was predicated on false pretenses and lies, and I think they should at least be removed. As far as lying, yeah, if you can show intent, and they violated 18 U.S.C. 1001, absolutely they should be charged.